My name is Henning Stromkowski. I'm with Theysohn Formenbau GmbH, a member of the Borisou Group, where I work as the safety specialist and maintenance manager. As a toolmaker with 70 years of experience, we've been building injection molding tools for the automotive and beverage industries. Essentially, the parts that we build, or rather, the parts that are manufactured with our tools, can be found in well-known German automobiles. They're also in the beverage market and in retail as transport crates, storage boxes, and similar items. After reviewing the offers and the technology, we were convinced that we should choose a service provider, a manufacturer, where we could get everything from a single source. This means we're not working with just a dealer, but with the manufacturer and dealer in one, and it's a company that manufactures its products in Europe. That was a decisive factor for us, among other things. Ultimately, of course, we also had to compare price and performance, and Luxon simply stood out with its price and its quality. We have good light, better light, consistently and everywhere. We have areas in our facility that we've completely blacked out. There's relatively little regulation there, but even in those areas with unregulated light, meaning no DALI control, we have massive savings of, yes, about 45%. In the areas that also get a lot of daylight, I can see exactly how the power consumption of the lighting drops significantly. Ultima LED was given one main requirement. This is the point that ultimately set Ultima LED apart from the competition. High temperatures in the summer. The facility is old, it's not particularly well insulated, heat is generated. Above the employees' working height, right under the ceiling, we hit 60 degrees Celsius. Ultima LED guaranteed us that their lighting would remain stable even above 60 degrees. That's a unique selling point that the competition just couldn't match. We primarily use the daily control system in automatic mode. We have two areas where daily control is implemented, and one of them is a very large area. And there, within the DALI control, or rather within the UCE, I can see how the DALI system is regulating, and the regulation levels are just enormous. Yes, so in good weather, when the sun is shining, so much light comes into the hall from outside that the system dims way down. That was the technical implementation. It really went smoothly. I really have to praise the electricians. There were no problems during production. We had no production downtime, no interruptions, and there was no damage. Communication was in English, which also worked out. And we implemented everything during the night shift. So, since we've had good experiences with the Luxon company, I can only recommend them. It all worked out well. I haven't seen any problems with the process. To date, everything is good. Time will tell what happens in 10 years, but the experience we've gained over the last 6 months, everything has gone well. And yes, for companies with the same application as ours, I can say it's all good.